Home comfort isn't just about having the right windows, it's about how those windows are installed. Even the most advanced, energy-efficient window can fall short if installation is rushed or improperly done. That's why homeowners who choose Verde Group Window Installation often notice an immediate and lasting improvement in comfort throughout the year. From hot summers to cooler winter months, professional installation plays a crucial role in how well windows perform every single day. Here's how Verde Group's window installation approach helps enhance home comfort year-round. Precise installation eliminates drafts and air leaks. One of the most common causes of indoor discomfort is air leakage around windows. Gaps, poor alignment, or inadequate sealing allow hot or cold air to enter the home, forcing HVAC systems to work harder. Verde Group Window Installation focuses on accurate measurements for a tight, custom-like fit, proper leveling and alignment, high-quality sealing around the entire frame. This attention to detail helps eliminate drafts, keeping indoor temperatures consistent no matter the season. Improved temperature control in every room. Uneven temperatures, hot spots in summer and cold zones in winter, are often caused by poorly installed windows. Verde Group's professional installation ensures windows perform as intended across all areas of the home. Homeowners experience more balanced indoor temperatures, increased comfort near windows and exterior walls, better use of living spaces year-round. This creates a home environment that feels comfortable from room to room. Enhanced energy efficiency reduces HVAC strain. When windows are installed correctly, they work with your heating and cooling system instead of against it. Verde Group's installation methods ensure that energy-efficient features like insulated glass and weather stripping perform at their best. Benefits include reduced heat gain during summer, improved heat retention during winter, lower energy consumption overall. This means HVAC systems cycle less frequently, helping reduce energy bills and extend equipment lifespan. Superior moisture protection improves indoor comfort. Moisture intrusion can lead to mold, mildew, and humidity issues that affect both comfort and indoor air quality. Verde Group window installation includes proper flashing and moisture management techniques to protect the home. This results in reduced indoor humidity near windows, fewer condensation issues, healthier indoor air quality. A drier, well-sealed home feels more comfortable in every season. Quieter interiors for everyday comfort. Outside noise can significantly impact how comfortable a home feels. Verde Group's precise installation helps maximize the sound-reducing benefits of modern windows. Proper installation eliminates gaps that transmit noise, ensures tight sash engagement, enhances the performance of multi-pane glass. Homeowners often notice quieter interiors almost immediately after installation. Smooth operation improves daily living. Comfort isn't only about temperature, it's also about ease of use. Windows that stick, jam, or don't lock properly can be frustrating and reduce ventilation options. Verde Group ensures smooth opening and closing, proper alignment of sashes and hardware, reliable locking and ventilation control. This makes it easier to enjoy fresh air when weather conditions are right. Seasonal comfort without constant adjustments. A well-installed window adapts to seasonal changes without requiring constant thermostat adjustments or temporary fixes. With Verde Group installation, homeowners enjoy cooler interiors during warm months, warmer living spaces during colder seasons, reduced need for fans, space heaters, or draft blockers. This consistency improves everyday comfort and convenience. Long-term performance protects comfort over time. Professional installation doesn't just improve comfort today, it protects it for years to come. Verde Group's installation standards help prevent premature wear, seal failure, and performance decline. This leads to long-lasting window performance, fewer maintenance issues, continued comfort year after year, confidence that your home is properly protected. Perhaps the greatest comfort benefit is peace of mind. Homeowners can feel confident knowing their windows are installed correctly and designed to perform through every season. Comfort starts with expert installation. Verde Group Window Installation enhances home comfort by focusing on precision, performance, and long-term reliability. From eliminating drafts and balancing temperatures to reducing noise and improving energy efficiency, professional installation makes all the difference. For homeowners seeking consistent comfort in every season, choosing Verde Group for window installation isn't just an upgrade, it's an investment in a better living experience all year long.